Assalamu alaikum viewers, how are you? I am fine. Today I am gonna tell you that I am wearing black burqa, black abaya, black gloves and black eyepiece on my face and complete black tutorial. Let's go. So friends, I am gonna wear this abaya. This is open from front. This is the work on it, this type of work, and here its sleeves. I am gonna wear it. Let's get started. Now I am wearing the black gloves and then eyepiece. You guys tell me in comment section that you like this tutorial or not, and if you are requested video, tell me in comment section. Let's wear the gloves. Here I am not stopping the video because I am wearing gloves in front of you. If you guys like, press the like button. Here I am wearing the black gloves. It looks so amazing. Now I am wearing niqab. Here is my niqab piece. Button is in front. Here's the niqab piece. It is not so easy to wear because it's opening from back. Here I am wearing this. Now I am wearing this niqab piece. Oh my god. This is a double layer niqab. Now I am wearing this remaining part. This is my god, this is looking amazing. I'm not wearing this before. This is looking so amazing. Now button is this button into this close. Now it's done. OMG, this is so amazing experience of wearing a abaya. You guys tell me in comment section that you like it. OMG. If you guys like, I will make more tutorials like this. Thank you so much guys for watching. Now I am going outside. After wearing all this, I'm going outside and checking the experience, how people comment and how they see me. Bye bye guys. Subscribe my channel for more these kind of videos. Bye bye.